Good morning, everybody. My beautiful wife Debbie is getting prepared to cook breakfast tacos, and we're going to go with a sausage and vegetable mix. We're going to do some radishes, some onions, and some asparagus. With the sausage, we're going to saute all of that together, and then we're going to add eggs after we had sauteed that. And we're going to make our soft tortilla little taco bowls. We'll be back with a little video of the finished product. There we go. Okay guys, here comes the final finished product. Debbie's going to swing it on over. And we're going to make our own individual breakfast boat / wraps. Notice we got a little bit of salsa if you choose. We use a combination of vegetables that we had that we like. We like lots of other vegetables, but we try to use fresh ingredients. So use what you have up in the fridge. And you can play with this any way that you like and make it really good. We are eating this after our workout this morning. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk soon.